Hi Jarifam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I posted a sit down, get ready with me video, a simple makeup wala video, chit chat video, and this video is just that. So if you are looking out for such simple yet energetic bold makeup look, this is the video for you. But I have a twist to it. I have a fun challenge part to it. It's a challenge that is this or that. So between the this or that which internet gave me, I have picked up my this over that, and doing that I have created this look. So that's the fun part to it. So if you really want to know how I did this look, which is FYI very simple, it's just the bold lip which makes you feel intimidating, but otherwise this look is absolutely simple. You guys, if you want to know how I created this look and you want to have fun, then please continue watching this video and mujhe comments mein batana what is your this over that. I would really like so let's get into the video. So I've mentioned down all my this or that into my book. I thought I'm definitely gonna forget, so let's start. First one is matte or dewy. I think it's a no-brainer. Dewy. We're gonna choose dewy, and for that my simple hydrating moisturizer and a sunscreen. The cult two things. We're doing my skincare and the simple moisturizer, loving it. It is beautiful. My sunscreen is from Plum and it is also very hydrating, so I think it's gonna give a very nice glow on my face. And now comes the magic ingredient for that dewy finish, and that is my e.l.f. Halo Glow. If your product is a no-brainer product, it's amazing. Dewy finish, just invest into such glowy thing and you are going to get that glow. Next is will I use foundation or skin tint? What do you guys think? It's a skin tint, and I'll be using this Smashbox Halo Light Neutral Skin Tint. I think skin tints are the way. Foundations are, it's not an era of foundation. It's skin tint that people really love using. And why not? Yeah, like, why do you want something heavy and full coverage when, like, from the skin tint you can get the amazing coverage? And agar aapka skin acha hai to I think skin tint is the perfect choice that you can make. So skin tint.
And just puffing it up. Look at that. I don't know if the camera picks up or no, but Smashbox skin tint is beautiful, guys. It's just amazing.
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. My concealer, because it's the same old concealer, nothing new over there. There is no this or that in concealer. Challenge, we have cream blush or powder blush. We all know that I am a true blue cream blush person. I am a pink blush person or a peach blush person. Let me know in the comments what are you, but I'm gonna choose pink blush for sure. Be using this Makeup Revolution blush that I have. Teensy weensy, little bit of it. Ta-da! Instant glow and instant freshness on your face. Glitter eyeshadow and matte eyeshadow. I think I am definitely a glitter eyeshadow person. So let's go. Using this K Beauty palette right here. This shade with eyeshadows is just blend till your hands hurt, and that's it. Glitters, shine, sparkle. It's one life. You gotta live it. Quickly gonna add this shade right here on my crease area. Just pen and just blend everything well. Next up, we have compact powder or loose powder. Guys, I'm absolutely a loose powder person. I've been that since the time I've started creating content. Compact powders are great, but like loose powder wins. So I apply my loose powder. It's from Innisfree. It's a new powder that I've been trying. My regular part, it definitely mattifies the face. Like, you see how, oh my god, can you see this? And can you see this? That's the difference this powder makes. So if you're looking out some instant cut shining stuff, this is the powder for you. Dab, 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 dab. Oh my god, look how instantly it will cut the shine. Can you see that? Like, can you see that? With less and build up. Overall with makeup also, you know, start less and then go more. I'm still using the same blush from Makeup Revolution. Love this blush. I've been using this new thing. This is actually a concealer from Lakme. This is their Insta Airbrush Concealer Pen. But I am using it as a bronzer because I was like, let me just try it out. Just cut this little bit, because little bit goes long way. So be very careful. I think it now works. So this new brush that I have ordered, which I cannot see in this brush that I ordered from Amazon or Nykaa, दोनों में से एक. But I think it's a great brush for contouring. It's a very precise brush. तो इससे contouring effect बहुत मस्त आता है. Of it कि आप see, look how precise it's come on my face. Hence I love this brush. It's very nice. I'll show you. It's like this. See that? My god, look at that shadow. It is beautiful. Guys, I'm still contemplating. I don't know if I have chosen the right shade of Lakme ka concealer or no, but I think with time I'll just figure out. But I do like this stuff. It's just place the dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and together. Just blend it. Just blend your blush, your concealer and everything together. But I'm loving this product from Lakme. Very simple. China tour. That's a quickly blending it out. Don't worry, I'll also use my another for blending out stuff. With my bronzer, like अभी इसमें मैंने this or that नहीं किया because yeah, I need a cream bronzer and a powder bronzer because it just then brings the look together. Like I cannot just do a cream or a powder bronzer. Like for blushes I can do, you know, only a cream blush, and trust me आपको भी उतना ही required है, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. But like for bronzer we need like a powder and a cream one. It's been a long time, to be honest, since I did a long format content. It's not like I started hating it or anything, but it's just that long format में editing में time लगता है, and then you know, to remove time, it's editing gets a bit overwhelming for me at times, you know, when I'm busy with work and all of that stuff. But I've promised myself I'll be doing more often the long format content, so don't worry. And I'm gonna bring up these challenges and these fun ideas so that, you know, we are not bored. And then there is makeup, there is education, but then there's fun as well, and I really want to try to include these challenges like this. We have bold lips or nude lips. Now this is quite a task because, oh my god, because I love my nude lipsticks, but I love my bold lipsticks. What do I choose? Oh my god, this challenge. Oh god, shit. I think my vibe for this year is bold. Like I have this year I've been inclined towards a lot of red and bold lipsticks, so I'll choose a bold lipstick. One from L'Oreal and one from Kiro. Oops. What to do? Oh my gosh, oh gosh, I cannot choose, you guys. Think I would go with the keto one. I bold category keto ones. Don't use a lipstick without lining your lips. I think it just gives a very nice fuller effect. Why am I so clumsy? Everything keeps on falling from my hand. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful shade. Guys, can you appreciate my lipstick right now? I think it just like boom, it brought my look so together. See, that's one of the reasons why I love a good bold lipstick. But to be honest, on everyday basis, I would choose a nude lipstick. I think, you know what, I'm just gonna add this Wine Not shade from L'Oreal. It should be good. Okay. Should I like ruin it? What should I do? Ooh, my lips are on fire, you guys. The last one is lip gloss or no.
Oops, that's a blooper.
Last one is lip gloss or no lip gloss. Pause, and if you are an OG follower, if you know me what I'm gonna say. Let me know in the comments. Take a pause, go into the comment section and tell me if I'm a lip gloss or no lip gloss person. I'll give you 3 seconds. Go and write your answer. 1, 2, 3. Lip gloss. Everyone who chose lip gloss, you guys really know me. Lip gloss, lip gloss, lip gloss, and Maybelline Lifted Gloss is the gloss. Like, it will come with me on my deathbed, I feel. It's just an amazing gloss. See? 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 Do I need to tell more? Like, just see. But a nude lipstick will also look good on this look. So my recommendation would be this Kiro. This is in Peachy Nude. It's a great nude lipstick. Every day it's gonna suit a lot of Indian skin tone. And I also have another recommendation from Kiro and shade Nutty Nougat. Great shade. I think I'll just swatch it on the back of my hand. But these shades are amazing. They are like very good everyday nude shades and I absolutely love them. This is Nutty Nougat and Kiro really makes good nude lipstick. तो अगर आपको कुछ affordable चाहिए, guys, I just ended up spilling my lipstick on the ground. Oh my goodness, why am I so clumsy? My god, my heart. I'll show you how much have I dropped. This is another shade. This is Nutty Nougat and this is Peachy Nude. Both are from Kiro. Love them, buy them. Anyway guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I think it was fun creating this look by choosing this or that challenge, but this is what personally I prefer. Some things may be up and down depending upon what the occasion is, but overall this is the makeup look, the makeup products, the techniques which I'll always choose. So yeah, it's very simple and look how beautifully and simply we just created this nice makeup look, you guys. It's beautiful, it's awesome. I hope you liked it. Let me know what is your this or that pickup in my comment section, and yeah, I will continue seeing you in my videos. And if you have such funny challenges for me, let me know in the comments. I will absolutely try it because I just don't want to stick to makeup. I really want to have fun while doing makeup so that you are not bored and you enjoy your time. Please like, comment and subscribe all my videos if you like it, and I'll see you. Bye.